Welcome to the audio slide presentation. I am Vijayalakshmi Jain from PTJNM Medical College, Raipur. In the next few minutes, we are going to talk about a recent research article entitled Polymorphism of CYP1A1 gene variants RS4646903 and RS1048943 relation to the incidence of cervical cancer in Chhattisgarh. On carrying out the study in 200 subjects, 100 cases and 100 controls, it illustrated that among the two genotypes RS1048943, that is A to G SNP polymorphism, have significantly higher and increased risk of cervical cancer and G allele showing strong association with the disease. Cervical cancer is the second most common cancer among women worldwide. Approximately 530,000 new cases are being diagnosed and 275,000 deaths occur every year worldwide. CYP1A1 gene refers to the cytochrome P450 family, which belongs to the phase 1 xenobiotic metabolizing enzyme present in Q arm of chromosome number 15. It converts procarcinogens to reactive intermediates that can damage DNA, lipid, and proteins. The study comprises of two such gene variants, RS4646903, which is specifically a T2C transition at nucleotide 3801 in the non-coding 3' flanking region, and RS1048943 polymorphism, specifically A2G transition at nucleotide 2455 and isoleucine to valine transition, which activates carcinogens. The study subjects comprises 100 histopathological proven cases and 100 healthy controls of 30 to 70 years with informed consent. From about 4 ml of blood, DNA was isolated by modified salting out method with its quantification. After quantification, genotyping was done by using thermal cycler followed by restriction digestion by MSP1 and BSRD1 endonucleases subjected to digestion of T2G and A2G SNP polymorphism respectively. The cervical patients were detailed about various parameters, which states that most of the cases are being diagnosed at stage 2 and 3 of the cancer according to FIGO classified stages. 10% of patients were diagnosed with adenocarcinoma and 90% with squamous cell carcinoma. Hypertension seemed absent in them, and about 80% of women were in their perimenopausal stage. On further studying the following biochemical parameters, serum sodium level was estimated significantly higher and leukocyte count, platelets, total bilirubin and AST levels were estimated significantly lower in cases over control. Coming to the genotype and allele frequency distribution of gene variant RS4646903 polymorphism, prevalence of TC and CC genotypes were higher in control over cases so as for T and C alleles. So no significant risk can be demonstrated. Now the genotype and allele frequency distribution of gene variant RS1048943 polymorphism. Significant difference was noted in the frequency distribution of allele and genotype in cases over control. Significant risk was found with AG and GG genotypes and G allele for susceptibility. Thus, it can be concluded that isoleucine to valine transition enhanced risk of cervical cancer. Thus, the study concludes that gene variant RS1048943 A2G polymorphism show increased risk of cervical cancer with AG and GG genotype and G allele as significant susceptible, and RS4646903 didn't show any significant association at all. This can be further used as cervical cancer marker based on its prevalence in Indian population. This research was supported by Medical Biotechnology, Department of Biochemistry, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Medical College, Raipur. My heartfelt and extended thankfulness to all the authors of this study and special thanks to the corresponding author for his constant support and guidance.